While I was doing laundry, the boys were making a smoke bomb, so we're gonna see what goes down here. You never know with Dean. Oh God. Oh, there we go. Oh, Dean. People are gonna think there's a fire. Want to be our neighbors?
I'll just cut.
Starting the vlog out today with Jack helping make his lunch.
Mom, make this like go.
Yeah. Well, let's show them.
This better be a video.
It is a video. Okay.
Get ham, get an egg. You don't need all this egg.
No, we're.
You spray a little bit in a ramekin. There. You put the salt. You gotta throw it away. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Get the egg. Crack it. Any pieces? No. You take it out first.
Looking good, my
then
dude.
you got a knife. You put it in the microwave for 35 seconds because if you hear like pop sounds, that's good because you want this to pop so it make a circle egg.
But not explode, right?
So,
Right, because you're cooking it in the microwave.
Oh, I didn't mention. I'm teaching you how to make English muffin. Next, you see it, then you gotta go to the microwave.
Okay. How long do you cook it?
35 seconds. Okay. Anyway, when you hear it pop, that's
That's a good thing.
a good.
So inside our air fryer, we have a breakfast sausage cooking. How long do you cook a breakfast sausage for?
7 minutes. If you want 4 to 10 minutes.
Oh.
Yeah, you hear that? That's called popping, like popcorn.
Yeah.
And see that? It makes the egg look like that. So next, if I have to defrost mine, so I'll just put it defrost.
Yeah.
So next, this is defrosting.
So now let's get the other things we need for lunch.
Next, my English muffins are ready now.
Yep.
I get my egg. You gotta get the bottom.
Oh, nice.
Put that knife then, kind of like move
Is it a
it.
little hot? Or are you alright?
I'm good.
All right.
They're perfect. I don't like anything else. My dad likes cheese and my mom likes cheese and my sister likes cheese.
No cheese for Jackie.
Then sausage, egg, a big muffin.
Breakfast.
And that's it for Jack Plays Games. It's gonna be Jack. Jack Plays Games. So bye, friends. And final touch. Wow.
Dean is going to be, well, not Dean, we are launching a few new scents for candles and we just got the labels. So let's open it together, shall we?
Just to print.
Yes.
Because you want to do it yourself and then you're like, this sucks.
Harder than you think, yeah.
They're limited. There's only 20 each. Ooh.
All right, limited edition, guys. Ooh, wee.
This is Drunk Pumpkin.
Drunk pumpkin, which is what? Let's
Can't read because it's too small.
I know.
Oh yeah, creamy pumpkin, bourbon, caramel, and musk.
see. Ooh. 3 scents are launching for fall, limited edition. How many? 20?
20 each, yeah.
20 each. So you gotta keep your
Unless
eyes
people
out.
really like them.
Unless you really like them, and then we'll try.
Ooh, this is the one I'm
Oh my gosh, I love it.
Smoked vanilla.
Smoked vanilla, which is smoked wood, vanilla, apple, rum, incense. Oh,
Oh,
yes.
that's one I like that. In the testing, the smell is amazing.
Next. Fun. Oh my god, I love it.
That's so wacky. Witch's brew.
Which is aniseed. Is that what it says? I can't read it. Aniseed, orange, ginger, and rose. Oh, yes. So I'm going to leave a newsletter link below. If you would like to be included on the newsletter, I will send out the day we drop them. I mean, follow us on Instagram, Hello Friendo Shop. I will be sure to let you know. Dean will let you know. So exciting.
Oh, here comes the police for you. See ya.
How's it going, boys? Did you say a bad word?
Edit that out, Mom.
No kidding. Oh, that's what I'm talking about, tiny boy.
No.
Oh, our neighbor gave us this basketball net, and it's great. Anyway, the boys are having a little session.
I'm gonna grab it.
Get him, Jackie. Well, here we are on Sunday, and it's been a beautiful weekend. Like, the kids got some time in the pool, actually Friday, Saturday, and today, which is amazing because I'm pretty sure that's probably the last swim of the season. I mean, they are kids and wild, so they might get in the pool. We don't have a heater, so that would explain why this might be the last swim. But let me tell you about last night. Honey got sprayed by a skunk, and it was brutal, but there is an amazing product, and I thought I would just share it with you in case your pet gets sprayed by a skunk, because it ain't no joke. So I went and replaced the product that we use. So I had the original, what is this called? Nature's Miracle. This is the skunk odor remover. Necessary. This one has lavender, so I'm excited to try this later. But basically, she came in from her late night cruise, last cruise of the evening in the backyard, and I was like, oh no! The scent was so strong when she came in the house. Anyway.
You know what it smelled like? A perm.
It smelled like burnt rubber.
Yeah, or something like that.
Like really harsh.
Acrid, yeah.
Oh, it was bad. It's not like the skunk smell that you normally, I don't know, it was bad.
You get one with the car.
Oh, it was bad. Yeah, a bit different. So anyway, per the instructions, you basically like coat them in this and then you let it dry because it neutralizes the oils that their skin has just got from that spray, right? So then I put her in her crate overnight, which is in the basement, but the whole house just reeked. I was thinking, oh my God. So when I was looking at instructions online, it tells you that you should boil vinegar for about an hour the following day and it'll help neutralize the scent in the house.
You know
Thankfully.
You know what works I heard as well?
What?
You just burn your house to the ground.
Yeah, that too.
And then
that helps. No, it was fine. We woke up. You could still have there was a hint of it, but it wasn't terrible. So I then mixed together warm water, Dawn dish soap, vinegar, and some baking soda, and I let that sit in a bit of a solution. Then I had a warm, just water, and I gave her a huge rinse with the solution and that. And then I was actually gifted this product a few weeks back. This is from Bleu Lavande, and it is a dog shampoo, and it smells really good. Anyway, this video isn't sponsored. I just happened to have this on hand and I was like, it's lavender. So then I put this all on her, then I let her dry, and then I coated her in the Nature's Miracle once her coat was dry. And honestly, she's tolerable. Oh,
and
hi.
The clove smell.
Oh yeah, this.
Clove
I know we've been burning this. This is a Friendo Candle Luna, and the clove smell is neutralizing the bad odors. Thank God, in the house.
And I'm also in a really good mood.
That's great.
Yeah.
Wonderful. So we can keep her. I ended up having to buy her a new collar because her collar just reeked. 10 out of 10, recommend. While I was doing laundry, the boys were making a smoke bomb, so we're gonna see what goes down here. You never know with Dean.
You gotta check the wind to make sure that the neighbors that hate you the most are not in the wind.
Good. Oh God.
I don't think it's gonna explode.
Oh. There we go. Oh.
That,
I guess we got a lot of wind.
Oh, Dean. People are gonna think there's a fire. Want to be our neighbors?
I don't think it's gonna stop that. I think the can's on fire now.
It's Sunday. My sister is coming for a visit next week, so she'll be arriving on Friday with her fiance, Kevin, and I'm really excited to have them. You know, this year has been kind of amazing in the sense that I've gone out to see my siblings so much, and now my sister's coming here, and then I plan to go out one more time like in October, you know, before it gets all snowy and really shitty to drive. So that's my plan, and actually it's my nephew's birthday in October, so it's kind of perfect. Anyway, yeah, so, you know, I just did a couple of tidying things, and I find that rather than do like one massive tidy like 2 days before they get here, I do it on the weekend and then just kind of like just do a little tidy. And I, as you may or may not know, have prioritized watching television in the evening, which sounds insane, but I don't know. I have like weird feelings about how much the TV was on when I was a kid, and so I've often resisted television with my own kids, which, you know, we all have our things. But it's a wonderful way for me to zen out, and so I love to sit down here in the evenings. So I'm just gonna pass the vacuum, fold the blankets, you know, get it looking tidy. We had to open the window and air out the space because Honey's crate is just over here. You might be able to see. And oh, there's still some mattresses back here. It's a basement. But yeah, her crate's down here, and oh my goodness, she was stinky. So there's still like a touch of eau de skunk in the air, but it'll pass. Anyways, my daughter, everyone's messaging me. Did I show you my new watch? Apple gifted me a beautiful Apple Watch, and it's very exciting for me to have this watch. You know how much I love to work out, and this hooks right up to the Peloton. I'll have to show you tomorrow when I do my workout. It's very cool and tracks all my workouts, and I love it. I've had a different smartwatch for several years, so this was a lovely little upgrade. Anyway, my daughter's messaging me. I gotta figure out what's going on, so I'll touch base with you guys in a little bit. Well, it's voting day. It is Monday, and kids are off at school. It was also picture day, so everyone looks so super cute at school today. And anyway, Dean and I are off to go vote. I'm just gonna brush my teeth, get it done. I am about to go and have I think it's my last meeting before my podcast relaunch takes place. So the podcast is still out right now, but it's about to have a little bit of an aesthetic upgrade. Look, feel, just a little bit. I'm really excited. It is so thrilling to be working with a team for this little podcast that could, you know? When you, like me, have done most things by yourself, the second you get help, it just like, oh my God, it's just incredible, honestly. Because sometimes you're too close to the product to know how to make some changes that are gonna be good. So anyway, it's really thrilling. So I'm excited to go have my meeting. Anyway, let's do it. We have voted. We're about to have the meeting. This week is off to a great start. Very exciting. We officially have a launch date. So, per my calendar, let me tell you what's happening. October, you guys, big month. So October 14th, you will see a trailer launched on my podcast. So link is below. Just head over to Apple Podcasts, wherever you listen to podcasts, friendo. So trailer comes out on the 14th, and then on the 28th, boom, brand new season, brand new episode, brand new look and feel. I'm so excited. Very exciting. Anyways, big smiles. So I hope you're excited too. Oh, how pretty is that sky? How pretty. Okay, children, I have a couple questions.
Oh, really?
Okay, how has in-person school been? I want to hear right from the source. Okay, give me the things that are not great. So some of the work, is it a little bit, like, do you find it's less work than you had in virtual school?
No, more.
Interesting.
Because you don't have enough time to finish anything.
Ah.
Enough time to like draw a stick man and that half sunshine.
Right. Okay, so it's a little bit more like you have to kind of rush through stuff where at home you could take your time.
Yeah, it's kind of like living in like
Interesting.
a bad place.
Well, let's talk about the good things.
Good things is like you don't have your watch and then you look at the time, you're like, wait, give me a minute.
Bugs. Okay, so good things.
When you don't have your watch and then you check at the time, you're like, oh, it's the end of the day.
Because you actually have like things to do, right?
No, you're just not checking the time.
Ah, okay, so time's going a little quicker, days are more full. What about probably the best part?
Meeting.
Friends. So how's that been, meeting new friends?
It's good. I mean, I'm pretty used to just like Nora as my friend, but like, wait, can I get a close up of her face?
I'm trying.
Get close up.
She's so
You got this, you
cute.
got this. Take that
Beautiful. Oh, you're a beautiful girl. The other one's still a bit stinky. You smell like a skunk, but we love you. Look at her with her new collar and everything. Oh no, troublemaker. I think as a mom, probably the best part for me is that your friends live like down the street.
Yeah, I scooter to them.
That's amazing. But yes, close proximity is amazing.
Yeah, I have like one friend that comes over in the morning and we scooter together. We lock up our bikes and then, or not bikes, scooters, and then.
Kind of fun. And here we are at the end of this week's video, and I want to take a moment to say thank you for supporting, first of all, the candle business, because a bunch of sales came through in the last few days and we really appreciate it, so thank you. There is a new product in the shop right now. If you like melts, we have them. South China Sea is kind of amazing, so just a heads up. And also just supporting what I do here with the vlog. Last week, I felt like I was hella vulnerable, sharing what life has been like, just the stress of job loss, on relationships, on family, on finances, all of that stuff. And you guys are just kind of amazing, so thank you. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this week. Thumbs up if you did, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye, guys.